Hi, friends! I'm Bethany. Welcome to our Bible adventure. Let's sing, learn, and have fun together. In the beginning, everything was empty and dark. But God said, "Let there be light." On the second day, God made the wide, beautiful sky. He separated the waters of his balloon.
On the third day, God gathered the waters to make the seas, and dry land appeared.
Then, on the fourth day, God made the sun to light the day, the moon and stars to shine at night. On the fifth day, God filled the seas with fish and the skies with birds. On the sixth day, God made all the animals, and then God made people too, Adam and Eve, in his image.
On the seventh day, God looked at everything he made, and it was very good. Then God rested.
Wow! God made the whole world in 7 days, and he made YOU special too. Thanks for watching, friends.